So now I'm actually gonna show you how to use Trifecta. So we've got C serum, and you can always use C serum individually, but again, if you want best case results, this is how we recommend using it. This is gonna give you the truth glow. So you can take the serum, and it's literally 2 drops, not dropperfuls, 2 sprays in the mist, and 2 drops of the hyaluronic. Massage it all together, cocktailing all 3 products, and massage into the skin. You'll actually see a beautiful glow come through the skin. Little pink, little glowy, and then it just dissipates right down.